Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I get to share with you the brand new Spellbinders card kit of the month for July 2019. This month's kit is called Shellebrate with the S-H-E-L-L. I think that's so fun. So I can kind of guess what the theme is. So we're going to open it up and take a look at everything that comes in this month's kit. I'm going to set the box aside and we're going to go through everything step by step. Okay, so starting off with the cover sheet, it gives you the contents here with 3 inspirational projects using the items in the kit. Aren't they so cute? And then on the reverse side is a step-by-step tutorial. I mean, they give you instructions on how to create this cute little mermaid. Oh my gosh, she is adorable. And she is made with the dies that are in this month's kit. So I think I'm so looking forward to this. So that's your cover sheet. We're going to set that aside and let's take a look. We're going to start off with the cardstock. And there are some beautiful colors in here, my goodness. Okay, you get a silver mirror cardstock and it's double-sided here. This side has a smooth texture, but this side has a little bit of texture to it, which is something a little bit different this month. Now here is your color palette and it is beautiful. You get a real soft green, a purple, you get a yellow, you get a white, then you get a peach, you get a beautiful blue, and then you get a real pretty teal. So this is your soft color palette this month. As always, you get 10 card bases. They're pre-scored and folded. And they're A2 in size, and you get 10 of them. And I didn't mention it, but the cardstock and the card bases have a little bit of texture to them, which is so neat, especially when you do your die cutting. Also included is your 10 envelopes, which I appreciate because I always run out of envelopes. So you get those, and then we're going to take a look at our paper pad, and oh my goodness, I can tell already it's beautiful. Let's see, there's 20 different patterns in here. Let's open it up and take a look. Oh my goodness, okay. How cute is this? I love the colors and I love these little girls. They are beautiful. They're single-sided and they are some lovely patterns. This would be great for a water scene. You get polka dots. This one says happy friendship, summer, freedom, sunshine vibes. So cute. And then look at this, little floaties. How cute are those? Oh my gosh, this is stunning. This is gorgeous. There's some holographic detail on here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. That is gorgeous. Love that. And then get stripes. Get a two-tone pattern paper. Another two-tone. These have little seashells on them. And then you get a two-tone here that has stars and flowers. So pretty. These have little seagulls. Oh my gosh, how cute are those? Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. That is just pretty. You get the seashell with the pearl. Look at this, another beautiful pattern. Oh my goodness. And you can see the holographic look to it. That is stunning. Here we get some little tickets. You get some florals. Two-tone. Oh boy. You guys, I'm hoping the camera is picking up that holographic, but these are like scales. This is one of those paper pads that you're so happy that there's 2 of each in here. You also get this pattern. It's just really neat. And then it starts all over again. You get 2 of each sheet. So that is your Shellebrate 6x6 paper pad. Again, there's 40 sheets in here. Next, we're going to take a look at our stamp set. It's called Shellebrate. And oh my goodness, this is adorable. Shellebrate, and you can customize your sentiment, which I love. You get some ocean scenery shells, and I believe this will be the outline, this would be the coloring. You get a little starfish, the bubbles. Shellebrate wishes sending, you are, have a mermazing day, oceans of love, mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. And of course the beautiful little mermaid. How fun is she going to be to color? So that is your Shellebrate stamp set. Okay, now we get the dies. Oh my goodness. There's 13 dies, and I'm sorry about the noise. I'm trying to do this without doing a voiceover, so forgive the extra noises in the background. But okay, this is going to be so fun. Okay, so this is the little hair of our mermaid. So neat, and it's a good size. You can see here against the A2 size card base. So she is a good size. So you get her hair, and then this is her face. And her eyes are embossed. So you would layer this together. The nice thing is you could color her hair, and there's embossed detail on her hair too. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? This is gonna be so fun. Okay, next you get her little arms, and then you also get her little tail, and this is her body, her little fin. And then you get her little decorative elements. So you get her little bikini top, and then you get a little starfish for her hair. You get a little shell. Oh my gosh, how adorable. These are the scales which you layer on top, and I think that is amazing. So you would die cut this out with one color and add this one on top, and it creates scales, which is so neat. And then you have her little facial features here, her little mouth and her eyes, and then you get a shell, you get bubbles with, and these are embossed, so if you run this through your Platinum 6 or your die cutting machine with your embossing pad, it'll have little details on those bubbles. Now next you have a little banner die, which is awesome for sentiments. Let's see, they'll fit the Shellebrate and also the mermaiding beautifully. Oceans of love. So you get that, and then you get some greenery. Oh gosh, this is gonna be so fun. It's like paper dolls. I go back to paper doll days. I love this. This is gonna be fun. And then you get some little itty bitty flowers, and they look like they're all the same shape, and you get the leaves and then the flower centers. And it looks like there's 3 of each flower center, and then 3 leaves, and then 3 flowers. So if you wanted to create like a little lei around her, a little flower necklace, you don't have to cut out one at a time, which makes this fantastic. Or this fits beautifully inside your banner too. How about that? I think that's amazing. Okay, so those are all your dies. So looking forward to playing with that. That's going to be really neat. Okay, next up we have our, I'm going to move these off to the side because every month Spellbinders always comes up with amazing Ephemera Pack or die cut shapes. And there are lots and lots. We thought the dies were a lot, but now these, I can already tell they're going to be fantastic. So let's open them up real fast. And we're going to just go through them real fast. And looks like this month there's 2 of each one. So you get 2 of each die cut. So you get the shells. I'm just going to go through them real fast. These sentiment catching rays with my faves. Oh my goodness. You were born to shimmer. And there's some of these that have holographic detail. Some don't, but some do. You get a hashtag inspirational. Look at the little turtle. And then of course you get this lovely little girl. How cute is that? See, this is what you could do with the flowers. You could make a little flower headband. cute. You get a star wall here. You get Deep Thoughts and Magical Secrets, a little book. Oh gosh. These are some, oh my goodness, how cute is this? They're holographic. Greenery. Then these are little floaties. These pop out. And again, 2 of each, guys. Oh, I didn't pop that one out yet. So you get 2 floaties. You get a little swan. No, that looks like a flamingo. You get another one. Another little mermaid. Starfish. Little seahorse. Fishes. Shells. Sentiments. This one says, never let anyone burst your bubble. How cute is that? This one has detail on there too. Shell. Just lots and lots for scene building, guys. Oh my gosh, this month's kit's gonna sell out so fast. I know it is. But look at this one. How cute is that? Little greenery. Look at this, fabulous. And the inside of the B, the A, and the O will pop out. More greenery. This time there are 2 different shades of teal. Oh gosh. Okay, and then you get another sentiment. Seashells by the seashore. Seashell, sand, and sunshine. You get sunshine vibes. You get the ampersand. You get a little frame. These pop out. So you get salty kisses, starfish wishes. You get little frames. Look at the splash. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. We grow together. Love the scent. Look at the sunglasses, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, I get so excited about these kits. Okay. You get Splash Squad. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? You get Shake It Off. My girls dance to Shake It Off when they do dishes. But that's so cute. That'd be cute for them. Then you get No Bad Days. I love that. No bad days allowed over here. This is, you can't stop me. Then this looks like a little photo strip, a photo film strip. You just pop these out. Sometimes you can use the centerpieces, but all 3 of those will pop out. More shells, more sentiments, feeling so happy. More shells. Gosh, tons. Hashtag flawless, hashtag fearless, hashtag smart girls, just hashtag proof of the day, no, photo of the day, mermazing, get a little jellyfish. This is a photo frame. You just would pop this out, let your light shine. Cute. You get tags, lots of tags here. That one says fun, and it's a little file tab. Isn't that cute? I love that. Okay, my besties help me be my best self. I love that. You get more tags here, which are great. Hashtag mermaid hair. How cute. Another little file tag that says love, luggage, just keep swimming. You even get some, little water splashes in holographic. Oh gosh, this is adorable. So more sentiments. You are a treasure. Just keep swimming. I'm doing this. And then you get a lot of bits and pieces, which are bubbles and starfish. And so that is your ephemera pack. Can you believe it? All of this. This is going to be so amazing. Okay. So this is your ephemera pack. I'm going to carefully set that over here. I'm not going to put it back in the plastic because I'm afraid the noise is going to drive you crazy. Okay. Next you get some gems. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And they are shiny and faceted and gorgeous. And you get 4 different colors. So you get those. Then you get some foam glitter stickers. You get hello, bubbles, Magic, Love, Smile. And then this one says Friends. So you get a full pack of those, and they're white glittery foam, which is nice. So you get those, and then you also get a foam sticker. These are like paper covered foam, which are so nice. But you get You Shine, you get the Little Mermaid with more bubbles, and there's some foiled accent on here. So let's take them out of the package so you can see them better. Here we go. But you can see the whole entire back is foam, but on the very top layer it's a paper. Well, a smooth paper. But how cute are those? You can see the foil accent on there. So you get this. And then, last but not least, as always in the Spellbinders card kits. Oh, did I lose one? I think I lost one. We'll stick that right there. You get your foam squares, which is lovely. And then also you get your full roll of double-sided tape. Everything you need to make your 10 cards. I love this because this is great for travel too. Everything you need is here except for maybe your die cutting machine. And these dies are the perfect size too. And I bet they will fit in a smaller die cut machine. Let me see. So I have 2 small die cut machines. And so this is the plate for them. And these will fit on the smaller die cut machines. The prism is a little bit bigger, but they fit beautifully. So if you want to take this on the go with your die cut machine, you could. Before I go, guys, before I put everything back in the box and start creating the cards, I did want to share with you the add-ons this month. Now, if you're not a fan of the card kit, but do like some of the elements in the card kit, Spellbinders offers card kit extras, which is great because you don't have to purchase the kit just to get them. This month, the card kit extras that are available separately in the Spellbinder shop are the Shellebrate foam stickers. So, and these ones are really nice because they do have that foiled accent. So these are available separately. Also, the Shellebrate foam sticker sheet is available separately in the Spellbinder shop as a card kit extra. The stamp set, I'll be making a few cards just using the card kit extras too, which was great. But the Shellebrate stamp set is available as a card kit extra, and then also the die cut pack is available as a card kit extra. So these 4 things will be at the Spellbinder shop. I'll link the card kit in case you guys are interested, and then I'll also link the card kit extras in case you want to check out. I know the stamp sets are a great price. So this is it. This is the July 2019 card kit for Spellbinders, card kit of the month. It's going to be super fun to play with. I'm so excited about it. I want to thank you so much for joining me. And if you guys are ready for my 10 cards, it'll be following the unboxing here at the very end. On the very top will be part 1 and the very bottom will be part 2. If you guys want to click on those to check it out. I have to separate them in 2 parts, which makes it easier for me because I can spend a little more time creating with the cards instead of rushing through it. But they will be linked after this video. But if you're interested in the kits, links are down below. I want to thank you so much for joining me, guys. I so look forward to creating with this kit. It's called Shellebrate. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.